Hi everyone, this is Rakesh. Welcome to VR Computer Education. So C programming will continue with class 9 preprocessors in C. So the topic is conditional compilation. So in the conditional compilation, we'll discuss one more directive, that is hash if and def else and end if. Here if n means not defined, def means define. So this directive will process exactly reverse of if def else and end if directive. So that is, it will check whether particular macro is defined or not. If it is defined, then else class, that is statement 2, is included in source file. If not defined, then if and if class, that is statement 1, is included in source file for compilation and execution. So end if is end of the if and if condition. Here it will also check whether the macro is defined or not. It will work exactly reverse of this if def else and end if directive. Here what happens, if the macro is defined, a statement 1 is executed. If not defined, statement 2, that is else class, will executed. But here exactly reverse of it. If the macro is defined, then else class, that is statement 2, is included in source file. If it is not defined, then statement 1 is included in source file. So let us see here syntax. So before that, what is n here? N means not. Def means define. If not define. So this is a syntax. If and def means if not define macro name. The whatever macro name we will write here. If it is not defined, then statement 1 will execute. If it is defined, then statement 2 will execute. So no confusion. Here we will write one macro name. Okay. Then statement 2 will execute. Then statement 2 will execute. If the macro, whatever macro will write, if it is not defined, then statement 1 will execute. That is the execution of this directive. Let us see with the example so that we'll understand clearly. So let us start the example program. So as usually, we'll start with header file declaration, hash include stdio.h. Next, here I'll define macro, hash define. I'll define as a VR 500 as a value I have given. So we know this is macro name, or you can say macro template, and this is macro expansion. So this completely is called macro definition. So next, main function. Next, here I'll check the condition. See, hash if and def means if not defined. What not defined? We are. So printf. Just you can write we are is not defined. Just we'll write slash and slash. Next, hash else print var is already defined. Like this I have written. Next, end and if. So this is the program I wrote. So let us see, say included header file. This is here macro definition. I have written a macro. So I'm checking a condition. If not define VR, means if VR is not there, then print the statement that is VR is not defined. Else VR is already defined. Like this. So here VR is there. Now which statement will print in the output? So let us see by execution. So before we have to save the file. This is conditional compilation to then save. So let us check build and run, and what is the output? See, VR is already defined, means it is there. So this is the output. Next, we'll check in another way. Suppose I will, instead of VR, I'll write just R. See, I have defined macro name as R, but I want to check whether VR is there or not. Okay, so I have defined what? R macro, but I am asking to check VR. So if not to define VR, so VR is not defined, then what will be the output? See, VR is not defined. Exactly output we got, because VR is not there here. Here only R is there. So that's why here you have VR is not defined. So the extension of this you can define now like this. So VR is not defined. So now we can define. You write like this. Then here we can define hash define VR, just like that 1000 I wrote. Okay, so here you can put brackets. Let us see whether will it execute or will get error. See what we got. VR is not defined, so we can define. So here we have defined, right? Now After defining, here you can print. You can print. VR is defined like this. See, no confusion. Here I have defined what R, but in the C language, program will execute line by line. First, it will check header file. Okay. Next, macro definition. Okay. Main function. Okay. What is the first statement in main function? That is, if not defined VR, if not defined. So VR is not defined, only R is there. That's why we got VR is not defined. So we can define. Then we have defined here VR. Then the next statement is printed VR is defined. Now here I'll check only for R. Only for R. Now what will be the output? See, sorry, here I'll change like this. See, R is already defined. So here R is there. That's why statement 2 will print. So this is about conditional compilation. Hash if not defined directive. I hope you understood. Thank you.